Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be diving into a set of essential beginner tips for Last Z survival. Whether you are a new player or a non-spender looking to progress efficiently, these strategies will help you avoid common mistakes, save resources, and strengthen your development path from the very beginning. We'll be covering 5 major areas that have the greatest impact on long-term progression. These tips will set the foundation for a strong account that continues to scale smoothly as you advance through the game. Let's get started. Prioritize headquarter upgrades. The first and most important tip is to always prioritize upgrading your headquarter. The HQ is the core building that controls the maximum level of every other structure. For example, if your HQ is at level 27, no other building, whether it is a residence, camp, or production structure, can exceed level 27. To upgrade anything to level 28, the HQ must reach 28 first. This rule applies from the very beginning of the game, and ignoring it will slow your progress drastically. A second part of this tip is to avoid wasting resources on low-impact buildings, especially early on. Many structures produce very small returns. For instance, resource buildings generate only around 16,800 resources per hour. Even collecting for a full day barely gives you 500,000. And even with 4 such buildings, you will not reach 2 million daily, which is extremely low compared to what you need for real progression. Instead, place your priority on buildings that truly matter for your development and combat effectiveness. These include Rider Camp, Assaulter Camp, Shooter Camp, Alliance Center, City Walls. These 5 buildings are the major prerequisites for higher HQ levels. Additionally, the laboratory should always be upgraded whenever your HQ increases. It supports your growth, research speed, and troop development. Other important but secondary buildings include the Emergency Hospital and the Military Center, which are required for later HQ milestones. On the other hand, buildings such as the warehouse, turbines, smelting plants, and residences provide very limited long-term value. Upgrade them only when required, not as a priority. The Rally Square is also useful since it increases your marching capacity, but you can comfortably stop upgrading it at level 20 until later in the game. The second major tip for new players is to join a strong and active alliance. A powerful alliance provides several essential benefits. Active alliances often have spenders and strong players who trigger gifts. These daily gift chests accumulate quickly and provide valuable resources, diamonds, and speed-ups. A strong alliance invests heavily in alliance tech, giving you bonuses to research speed, construction speed, training speed, and many other stats. These passive boosts significantly accelerate your progress. Being in a top alliance greatly increases your rewards in events such as Alliance Duel. Strong alliances reach higher leagues like Diamond, where rewards include badges, research speedups, resource choice boxes, alliance points. These rewards are far superior compared to lower-tier alliances. During events like Enemy Buster Day, having strong teammates makes it easier to farm points safely. For example, during one such event, I earned 50 million points solely because my alliance had high-level tech and coordinated support. 5. Do not hesitate to change alliances. If your current alliance isn't helping you grow, or if they engage in cheating or disruptive behavior, be ready to switch. Your long-term progress depends heavily on the alliance environment you choose. Look for alliances with strong leadership, active members, and clear game goals. Hero development is often misunderstood by new players, and many end up wasting resources by upgrading every hero equally. Instead, follow these guidelines. 1. Focus on one hero after 4 stars. After reaching 4 stars, concentrate on upgrading one main hero instead of spreading your resources thin. If you are a small spender, heroes like Selena are strong long-term choices due to their battle-oriented skills. But I have chosen William to be upgraded more as a personal choice. If you use Blood Rose faction heroes, I also recommend focusing on Selena. Heroes from other factions may have useful skills, like construction speed or camp training speed, but they don't justify investment beyond 4 stars. 2. Choose one combat focus. The game offers 3 factions: Blood Rose, Guard of Order, Wings of Dawn. Each faction counters another. Blood Rose counters Guard of Order counters. Wings of Dawn counter. Blood Rose. Most players choose Blood Rose. If you want an advantage in PvP, you may prefer Wings of Dawn since they counter Blood Rose. Choose your faction early and stick to it, because switching later becomes costly. 3. Save your best gear for your main team. Your main formation typically includes 5 core heroes. Focus all your best equipment on these 5. Avoid wasting orange gear on secondary heroes. For example, in my formation, all 5 main heroes have orange equipment, while extra heroes have minimal investment. This keeps your combat power concentrated where it matters. 4. Upgrade the correct research according to your team. Use your hero skills as indicators for troop specialization. For example, Selena increases assaulter attack, so assaulter units should be your main focus. Wings of Dawn heroes boost shooter defenses, so shooter troops should be prioritized. Guard of Order heroes enhance rider stats, so riders should be your main troop type. You should also unlock higher tier troops in the correct camp. I upgraded Assaulter T9 first because I use Blood Rose, and now I train only Assaulters as my primary force. To maintain growth, you must complete essential daily actions. These include Anya Dispatch Trucks. Sending trucks gives orange equipment fragments, component chests, other rare rewards. Never forget this, it contributes significantly over time. 2. Help Alliance members. Helping Alliance mates gives small but consistent daily points, which accumulate and assist during events and tech upgrades. 3. Do your arena matches daily. You get 5 arena attempts each day. Participating gives tally rewards, versatile hero fragments, valor medals. Rank as high as possible. Top ranks receive much better rewards. Your overall growth depends significantly on how actively you participate. The final set of recommendations focuses on long-term resource efficiency and strategic planning. 1. Don't upgrade buildings or tech just to stay busy. Avoid upgrading low-impact buildings merely to keep your builders working. For example, I currently keep only one builder active because my priority is saving resources for HQ level 28. 2. Save resources for major milestones. Large upgrades such as HQ levels or Alliance Center levels require huge amounts of resources. Save specifically for these instead of upgrading unnecessary buildings. 3. Prepare for future troop unlocks. Higher troop tiers like T10 will require multiple prerequisite technologies and many badges. Plan your research path early and avoid wasting badges on unnecessary tech. 4. Avoid unnecessary upgrades entirely. As discussed earlier, buildings like farmhouses, training grounds, smelting plants, residences provide minimal long-term benefit. Upgrade them only when absolutely required. 5. Upgrade in bulk for better event rewards. During Alliance Duel or other milestone events, upgrade traits such as star levels in a single burst, 1 star to 2 star in one day, 2 star to 3 star in one day. This method maximizes event points and returns. These are the 5 foundational tips that every new Last Z survival player should follow. Prioritizing your HX2 upgrades ensures that your progression ceiling remains high, while investing in the Academy helps you unlock more researchers and speed up development. Managing helicopter missions correctly keeps your resource flow steady, and strengthening your fence and squad guarantees stable defense. Finally, maintaining generator upgrades ensures you never run into resource bottlenecks in the later stages of the game. By following these tips from the very beginning, you set yourself up for long-term success. Whether you are aiming to climb power rankings, progress through story content, or compete in alliance activities, a well-developed base is the foundation of everything. If you found this guide helpful and want more advanced strategies such as troop composition, event optimization, or spending efficiency, feel free to check out the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and good luck surviving out there.